Hakeem Amir Razak Ubhaya speak Multan from Pakistan to his lovers, followers who are present throughout the world says Assalamu alaikum, good morning, God bless you. Happy New Year to all my beloved ones. May Allah protect us from the evil of the enemy and protect us from the hospital. May Allah give us good health. So far, our 30 million people have listened to my lectures on YouTube, which feature people of every religion and every profession. This year too, if Allah wants to fall, 365 lectures will be able to listen to every topic of knowledge on YouTube. In the month of July 2020, all video lectures will be able to watch in English on the wishes of my beloved ones. Keep watching my YouTube channel.